here I've got my bed and this little furnace kind of thing where I can put books and stuff. And then over here is my desk. And above it, this little shelf where I've got a bunch of books, some tea, more books, more tea, photos, etc. And then here's my fridge, which is like a pretty good size, full of Oreos. And then here on this side of the room, there's my dresser. And then in this corner, there is my closet. And I've got my guitar here. And then this is the door to the hallway. And over here I have my chair at the foot of my bed. And I've got my little kettle here and my water bottles. And then recycling and garbage bins here. And then over on this side of the room is the door to James's room.
Hey, so welcome to my room. So this is my bed and here's my heater furnace thingy. And I have a couple pictures and I have a little plant on my windowsill and I have my little FIP sign with a quote from the Aeneid and I have my nice and big window. So this is my desk where I write all of my essays, and here is my shelf which has all of my books and lots of tea and lots of other stuff as well. So beside my desk I have my fridge and I have all my water bottles and my collection of mugs on top, and I have some magnets on my fridge, and above my fridge I have my amazing dog poster that I love very much. So on this side of the room I have my chair and I have all my shoes and my garbage and recycling and stuff. I also have my dresser and my closet and my mirror.
Do